Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Walking along the Las Vegas Boulevard from the Cosmopolitan towards the Bellagio brings you through one of the most recognizable stretches of the Strip, a section shaped by some of the biggest resort projects ever built in the city. To the left sits the Cosmopolitan Towers, part of the last wave of mega resorts to rise on the Strip. Its vertical design marked a shift in Las Vegas development, moving away from sprawling complexes and towards tall, compact structures that fit more into limited space. The resort also contributed to reshaping this entire block, connecting directly to CityCenter and helping establish this area as one of the densest parts of the Strip. As the walk continues north, the boulevard widens visually. This area is known for the way major resorts sit close together, forming a continuous line of architecture that transitions from ultra-modern design to classic Las Vegas themes. Even the pedestrian pathway reflects this, bordered by landscaping, elevated platforms, and viewing points designed to give visitors a look at the heart of the Strip without leaving the walkway. Ahead, the Bellagio comes into view. When it opened in 1998, it redefined what a luxury property could look like in Las Vegas. Prior to that, the Strip was dominated by strong themed concepts: pyramids, castles, and volcanoes. Bellagio changed the tone by focusing on elegance and scale rather than a single storyline. Its opening pushed other resorts to evolve, leading to the transition from the heavily themed designs to a more modern, refined style. This section of the Strip also represents the middle point between several eras of Las Vegas construction. To one side, the Cosmopolitan reflects the contemporary period, glass facades, stacked towers, and mixed-use development. Ahead, the Bellagio represents the era of higher-end resort design that arrived in the late 1990s. And just beyond it, older legacy properties connected to the traditions of the 1980s and early 1990s. Walking this stretch gives a clear sense of how the city's architecture identity blended over time. The pathway here also follows a natural curve in the boulevard, creating a visual corridor that leads straight towards the Bellagio's frontage. As you move closer, the buildings around it form a framing effect. The modern towers behind, the resort's classical arched front, and the Strip unfolding in both directions. It's a transitional zone between the new and the iconic, shaped by the developments that defined each decade. This short walk from the Cosmopolitan towards the Bellagio reflects some of the most significant changes in the history of Las Vegas, how resorts shifted their focus, how design philosophies evolved, and how this section of the Strip became one of the most recognizable urban corridors in the world.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.